When tightening the bolts on the rigid coupling that features Sabertooth installation technology, assemble the first bolt part way, the second bolt all the way, then finish up the first bolt, and it's done. Sometimes with dark or cramped installation spaces, you can't see the coupling from both sides to make sure it's installed properly. Sabertooth installation technology provides a new, easy-to-see and feel tactile indicator. Run your finger over it after you are done tightening the bolts. You can see and feel the installation is complete when the indicator on the housing aligns with the mating housing. If the indicator is short of the alignment or too far over-tightened, the installation is not correct. Ask your ASC representative for more details. Consult written instructions for full installation procedure before installing product.